Howdy folks, I'm Alan Butler at Butler Contracting, and today I want to talk about our process and how we can help serve you better. So if you have a project or you're thinking about getting something done, your first initial step would be to give us a call. You can give us a call at 8446-BUTLER, or you can hop on our website at butler.contractors/contact. We have a nice box on the top right corner to contact us. So just check us out on our website. And the first initial project request, we have a form you can fill out, talk about your project, with a few questions in there. And then the next step would be to upload some photos. So if you could help me out, I'd really like to be able to see what you see. So if you could send some photos over of your project, that helps us take a look at it, see what's going on, so we can best serve you. Next step in our process would be to schedule a phone call. So we're going to take about a 30-minute phone call and schedule that to talk about your project. I'm going to look at those photos. We can have a discussion a little bit on some options or maybe what you want to do. We can talk about what you're looking to invest in the project, maybe what your budget is, so we can help you navigate exactly what you're wanting. We're professionals. We do this every day, so I usually have a pretty good ballpark after getting some photos and a conversation with you kind of about what things are going to cost. So we can help you make sure it's what you're looking to invest, it's within the budget, and what your timeline is and moving forward so we can best serve you. Next step in our process would be to schedule an on-site consultation. So once we've moved past the initial phases of getting the photos and having that initial conversation, kind of ballpark range of what you're looking to spend, if you're ready to move forward, we'll come out, check everything, make sure everything checks out, take some measurements, verify there's not anything hidden that I wasn't seeing in the photos, so we're all on the same page. Everything checks out, we're ready to move forward. We're write up a contract right then and there on the site. We're going to collect a deposit. Once we get those two things, we're going to work on getting you on the schedule. We're going to order your materials. And then once we do those two things, we're going to work on having a project planning meeting internally. And sometimes depending on the complexity of your project, maybe this is a remodel job or something pretty large that we're working on, we're going to get with our subs and do a pre-contractor or a pre-project planning meeting with our subcontractors, our electricians, plumbers, HVAC guys, whoever it is we might need in that project. Or we might get our project manager out there or a foreman from our company. We're going to bring them out and go through the project, walk through with you, make sure everybody's on the same page and we're not missing anything. And once we get that done, so we're going to work on getting our team out there. So once our team comes out, they're going to come out, knock out the project. We're going to be as efficient as possible because we did all these great steps in the beginning to plan for everything. So we get everything executed and get you enjoying your home as quickly as possible with minimal interruption. After that, we're going to make sure that we do some quality control inspection, whether that's on the job site when we get done, or we have a project manager come out and check it out afterwards. We're going to do some quality control, make sure everything is up to your satisfaction and your standards, what you were expecting. We're going to collect that final payment, and then we're going to follow up with you. After that, we do a 3-3-3 method here at Butler Contracting. So we're going to follow up with you 3 days after the project, 3 weeks after the project, and then 3 months after the project, just to make sure everything's going well. The handle's not falling off the door or something like that. We just want to make sure everything's going good and you're enjoying what you paid for. It's a bonus for us if we can get back in touch with you later on. We want to make sure that your warranty, if you have a warranted project, maybe we put up a fence or did something that we offer a warranty on, we want to call you and schedule a warranty checkup. Just make sure anything that might need to be done or for something that needs to be adjusted, that gets done before your warranty expires. And then as a bonus, we'd really appreciate it. And once we get done, if you give us a call back for another project, or if you refer us to a friend or family member. So that's what to expect when working with Butler Contracting. We look forward to seeing you on your next project.